Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay, and if you are new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle button, which is down below right here, followed by the post notification bell so it notifies you when I drop a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. Thank you. Please continue to subscribe because I got lots more for you. Whew. So what I'm going to be doing today is an unboxing and review on TileMate. I bought this at Costco. This cost me like $69.99, so you could say $7. It comes with two inside. It's saying it's new, but I don't think it's new. I don't think it's a 220. I don't think it's a 2020 version. It's probably like 2018 or 2019. So this TileMate is basically like a key finder. So if you lose your keys, you know, I always wanted it. I always needed it, but I never got it. And then I saw the Costco. I'm like, fine, let me just get it. Costco. So I have the app downloaded. My key is there. I'm gonna put on my key. I needed this for the time when I lost my key in my bag, which had a hole, but yeah. So I'm gonna open this now. We're gonna do an unboxing. So there's two boxes in here. Well, three. There's a little box, then there's two big boxes. So this is how it looks. You can read it for yourself. It says work on Wi-Fi. There's a new one now, a little pod for your key, but that one is obviously expensive. So it's right here. It says TileMate bundle. Let's see if I can open this. Probably gonna need to keep this wrapper because I have the tag on it. That thing is still going. I knew that my dishwasher was still going. I don't know. So there's this. Then at the back it tells you to download at the App Store. So I get 2 black and 2 white. So it's saying that there's 2 in here. 2 towels in there. This one says made to mate, so these are the 2 white ones. So it says, I'm gonna read what it says at the back here. It says ring your things, find your phone, activate community find. How do you open this? Like, I know how to open it, but then I don't want to open it the wrong way. Oh, it says just ask Alexis. Amazon Alexis works with Amazon Alexis and works with Google Assistant. So you can get on Google Play too. So this is the box right here. It's in like different languages, and then it says together we find. And I hope I don't. Oh, and then it opens up like this. Wow, look inside, y'all. I actually want the black one. It smells so nice, the foam. And then I guess you press this to find. Wait. Okay. You don't heard that sound, right? Should I do it again? Oh, you press here. And then I think that's the battery part. Yeah, the back is the battery. So, it's gonna take money. I'll just go to Dollar and get the batteries. No problem. This is an instruction book. So, this is French. I'm not speak French. There's a warranty to this, apparently, but I don't think Costco did warranty. It says download, follow the simple instructions, activate. Okay, so here's the TileMate app right here. Y'all see the TileMate app right there? There it is. And then it says welcome, a little Bluetooth tracker, miss it, blah blah blah. And then it says get started. I don't have an account, so you gotta make an account. I hope y'all can see that. If you can't, then I'm sorry. Well, down there it says get started. Let's go, because time's ticking. Then it gives you different options, HP. So you can literally put this on anything. Laptops, add device. I don't have a device. Which TEL device would you like to activate? So this is the new one I'm talking to you about. I don't have this. I have the bundle one, which is those. So we're gonna do bundle, I believe. Okay, I'm gonna use my YouTube email. So I'm signing up now, as you can see. Sign up. Then it says security, blah blah blah. It says your security is important. Please confirm your identity by the email we sent you. The email we sent you. So now I gotta wait. Oh, they already sent it. I just didn't get the notification. So there we go. Confirm email, which is tell me right here. What does that sound? Scary. Okay, it says email is verified. Thank you. Please sign in, which is right there. I didn't even get to the thing, but oh well. It says click the button once to begin activating. It will play a nice tune. Afterwards, tap next. So it's telling me to press the middle, which is this. Press next. It says looking for your tile. Hold your device next to it. So it's activating, which it says great. TEL is not activated. I don't want to activate this one. Tap next to continue. And then choose a category. So I'm going to put keys. So you can put on your purse or whatever. Oh, it says badge, ID badge, backpack, passport. You can even put this on your passport, okay? Laptop, headphones, other. We're going to put keys. So this is what happens. This is sound. I press it to. So when you're looking for it, you'll find it. It says go premium, get more, join premium for limited time. What premium? Oh, you can get, if I get premium, you can get alerts to your phone or whatever. Yeah, no thank you. And that's it. It says step 1, let's set your location. I can't set up my location because I'm not here. So I press while using. It says choose allow once. So now my thing froze. So it says this phone. I don't know why it's up like that. Oh, so it says where's my key, and then it's in Orlando. Oh my god. So it says I could set up my keys, but I'm in Orlando. So let's see if I set it up when I leave something important. It says unlock premium. Yeah, see how they get you? Location. You have 2 tiles in your account. You can tap on them to view. Oh, which is, y'all see that? It's the key and it's my iPhone. So my iPhone, there's 200. Oh my god, look at this. 2,000 TELmate users. There's an inbox for notifications. There's nothing in my thing. It says you have 2. Let's see my phone. So it can locate my phone too, but like I need the premium. So did I receive this as a gift? No, I bought it my damn self. Y'all see that? I'm gonna press no. So I'm gonna activate. So this one's activated. I'm gonna activate the block one. I want this block one. I'm gonna activate it. So this is it right now. Oh, there's nothing in there. This is just the handbook. I thought it was a black one. What the hell? Let's see. It probably is. Yes! And then there's 2 black in here. Yes, honey. Yes! So I got 4 in there. So 2 white and 2 black. I want the black one because I just love black. Let's set this up again. So all I have to do to set it up, I have to go is press this. Oh my god, sorry. And then I'm gonna press find. And then I'm gonna press the bundle. Then it says press. So again, it says to press this. Ooh, this one's louder. Next is searching for it. And then it shows you black. It says tile not active. And I press next. And then it says everyday essentials, phone key. I'm putting it to my phone. I could put it to my phone, but let's see. See, it's not gonna stay. It's not gonna stay on my phone. So I'm gonna press keys. And then it says find your tile mat. So I'm gonna go. No, I already showed you. So it just makes that sound when you can't find your keys. You just press find. And then. Oh my god, you're so loud. It says double press the tile button to make your phone ring when it's on silent. Double press the tile button to find your phone. So it says find. So there's 2 activated. I activated 2. One says find. Oh, which is this one? Y'all hear it? It's ringing in here. The circle indicates how close. Y'all can read it. The circle indicates how close you are to your tile. Walk around, and the more circles that are filled, the closer you are. Done. So yeah, so this one, I guess this one is mine. The tile's not in range. What do you mean it's not in range? So apparently one of my things is lost, but it was just right here. So 2 of them are unlocked. I have it on my phone, but I don't know why this one says find. So I think this one where it says find is a white one, and then this one that says Orlando, which is where I am right now, is a black one. So again, it says here, look, it shows that the tiles there. It says you have 3 tiles in your account. I don't know why my phone's on there, but yeah. So yeah, that's my unboxing for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is called TileMate. Make sure you go to TileMate. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it at Best Buy, and then you can get it at Costco. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye all.